It's a great day for keto. My name is Liftar, and I'm bringing you today's keto tip. Welcome. Today's topic is keto weight loss stall. This is a big one. It's probably the most common problem that is mentioned in the keto world. Here's what happens. Your body gets into ketosis. You start losing weight in inches. Sometimes it's like magic. The pounds fall off and the inches start shrinking away. You're cruising along, feeling and looking amazing. Then one day you notice you haven't made any progress for a few days or weeks. There seems to be no reason for it. You're eating the same way you have before, but the progress seemingly stops. These stalls are common, and you could even say they're normal and natural. Think about it. If you kept losing weight continuously, you would eventually lose all your weight and disappear. Somewhere along the way, the body will start reaching a point of balance, a point where you are at a healthy weight and size. You'll have to give your body some time to readjust to what is normal, especially if you've lost quite a lot of weight. Your old normal is still programmed into your brain and body. I don't think it's a bad thing to let your body catch up. I know you're in a hurry to get to your goal, but sometimes slow and steady wins the race. Keto is a lifestyle, a way of life. It's not really a diet where you just lose some weight and then gain it right back. One more thing. You're eating a much more healthy way, and your body's probably really loving it, whether or not pounds are falling off. People report amazing improvements in their blood work to the point that sometimes their doctors can hardly believe it. So what are the ways to get out of a weight loss stall? Number one, intermittent fasting. If you haven't been fasting before, now's the time to try. It can supercharge your body's fat burning ability. Number two, change up your proportions. Usually lowering the amount of carbs can help bust you out of a stall. Let's say if you're on 20 grams of carbs, try lowering it to 15 or 10 for a few days. Number three, there's a thing called fat fast. And this is where you eat 80 to 90% of your calories from fat for a few days, and I mean a few days, 3 days maximum. This is not something you want to do regularly. It's just a very temporary way to give your body a bump to get it more into fat burning. Many people get confused about the ratio of how much fats, carbs, and proteins to eat. It can be daunting to figure all that out. Then on top of that, you have to plan your meals and do the shopping. Good news, I can help with that. There's a simple system that tells exactly what and when to eat. It gives a full 30-day eating plan and even includes a shopping list so you don't even have to figure that out. Every dish even has substitutions, so you don't have to eat anything you don't like. If you think this might interest you, go sign up at our website, rockthatketo.com, and we'll tell you all about it. If you enjoy these bite-sized tips, then come on over to rockthatketo.com and sign up for fabulous recipes, how-to tips, and inspirational stories of people who have lost weight or gotten healthy for the first time in their life. If you're ready to dive in and start losing serious weight, we have a foolproof 30-day plan all laid out for you. You can start losing weight today. Come on and check us out at rockthatketo.com, and we'll see you next time.